I'm meteorologist Peter Hall. Here's your CNY Central First Alert forecast. And overall, the clouds will have the upper hand. There might be a hole in the cloud to allow a peak of sun. But overall, kind of this just semi-dreary forecast. We'll have some occasional light drops of rain and light snowflakes. Look for a high temperature today, right around 39 or 40 for Syracuse, and a handful of degrees cooler for highest elevations. It is a repetitive rewind with unsettled weather continuing. Some occasional light precipitation. We've mentioned rain and snow today. I think once we get into tonight and then talk forward for Friday and Saturday and Sunday, anything that falls from the sky would probably be flaky and not drippy. For the weekend, the temperatures should be on the down tick and turn because we're bringing in a northwesterly wind, which should yank down some slightly colder Canadian air. So again, this is this pattern we're in. We have a swirling system that if I have time to show you at the end, I will on the satellite radar, which is basically hanging out close by. And what it's doing is it's throwing a lot of moisture our way. Is it super organized with intense precipitation? No, but it's right near us. So it's going to be good enough for this sporadic, spotty shower activity of mainly drops of rain and flurries as well. New accumulation during the day will be none for lower elevations. Higher terrain might be getting another coating to an inch. That's today. Not a lot of wind today. The winds will pick up tonight and tomorrow. So that'll make the real feel, despite it being only a few degrees colder tomorrow, the real feel will be noticeable. Now, in terms of accumulation, the winds are turning northwesterly, and while it's not really true lake effect, it is bringing some enhanced moisture off the lake, and more importantly, it takes the air up in elevation, Route 5, Route 20 corridor, so that'll squeeze out a little extra snow for those of you in the hills near and south of Route 20. What does that mean? Well, being a little colder tonight and tomorrow morning, I think there's an opportunity for a trace coating to an inch, even over lowest terrain of any part of central New York in the persistent snow showers and flurries. And where they do persist in the hills, we might be able to squeeze out a couple of inches of fresh snowpack. Again, for central New York standards, not a big deal. Just don't be surprised if it happens. We look ahead through Friday, and it's a gusty northwesterly wind at 10 to 20 miles an hour. And while that's not an extreme wind, you take that plus mid-30s, and the wind chills should be between 15 and 25 on Friday. And it is a persistent pattern. We still have a northwest wind. We still have snow showers and flurries, another coating to an inch lower elevations Friday night, an inch or two on higher elevations Friday night, and temperatures probably not getting out of the upper 20s for Saturday or Sunday. Overall, little to no sunshine today, tomorrow. Some spots getting 0. Other spots might be able to get a couple of peaks. There's a slightly better opportunity for breaks of sunshine Saturday and Sunday, but don't be thinking that it's going to be the sunniest pattern ever. We do have a high probability, low impact weather pattern. As we've mentioned, just nickel and diming ourselves with very light snowfall. For central New York, we can handle it. In terms of anything stronger, well, there will be something coastal storm-wise near Wednesday. Latest indications are that this will miss us. This is why I have it only as a 25% probability of happening. But this is 6-7 days away now, so could it change? Absolutely. That's why we're keeping an eye on it just in case for the middle of next week. Here's your 7-day forecast. And note the temperature is going below normal for the weekend. Local, regional, and nationwide numbers for you. There is that swirling system that'll be nearby for the next several days. I'm meteorologist Peter Hall. Make it a great day.